And here's our second example. Again, we're going to follow the same routine. First of all, look how they've labelled this one. Got corner A, B and C. It says find AC. Well, AC is the line joining A and C. So that's the one we're trying to find out. We don't know what it is, so I'm going to call it X. Alright, we're going to find that side. I'm going to label and write down what I already know. Well, I know that we've got the opposite side opposite the angle. So op equals 50. The adjacent side is what we're trying to find, and that's worth X. We don't know what it's worth yet. Notice the hypotenuse, it isn't being used here, so we don't have to worry about that. Then we have to go straight to our trig triangles. Which one uses opposite an edge? Well, it's tan. And once again, we just have to substitute in what we already know. We're trying to find the adjacent, so I'm going to cover that up. Adjacent equals, we're left with O divided by T. So from that, our adjacent we're calling X. The opposite, we've already said, and you've written down here as 50, it's that side. And then we've got to divide by T is tan, and we need the angle, which is 42. So X equals 50 divided by tan 42. Back to our calculator again. We were looking to do 50 divided by tan 42. So let's do that. 50 divided by tan 42 equals 55.53062574. Okay, we've got X equals 55.53062574. It's a good idea to write the whole thing down in the exam, but then if they ask it rounded off to the nearest whole number, perhaps in this case, we'll just do that. Whole number, check after the decimal, it's 5 or more. That gives me 56 to the nearest whole number. They might want to the nearest metre or centimetre or whatever, but I'd suggest you'd write down everything on the calculator and then check for rounding.